What is battery and what is the importance of battery in mobile phone? Today we will discuss all the things about the mobile battery. Okay, and you will understand the importance of the battery, and you will understand about the mobile phone battery health and all the details about the battery. You will understand after watching this video. Hoping that you will watch this video until the last, and I want to thanks all of my subscribers who are sharing my video, and thank you so much for sharing my video and giving me a like. It is giving me some motivation, and I want to request all of you, if you are watching this video first time, please do subscribe and do share and give me a like also. It will give me some motivation to more videos on my YouTube channel. Okay guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Dipesh Rai. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press in the bell icon. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are discussing about the battery. So battery is one of the amazing parts of mobile phone. So without battery we cannot imagine our all the tasks inside the mobile phone or in any kind of electronic devices. But we are learning the mobile repairing training, so that's why I'm telling the mobile battery. So what is battery? So battery is one of the device which help us to store electricity for future use. It help us give power backup after charging. Okay, so we can back up the electricity inside the battery. So without battery it was out of imagine. Okay, so battery help us to do more tasks in absence of electricity for further time, but it will work as per battery health for limited time only. Okay, so after charging the battery it will work for the limited time. Okay, and it depends on the battery health also. Okay, so battery contains lithium ions, so the battery charge work due to the movement of electrons. So if you are thinking how battery is working, then in that case you should to remember that battery contains the lithium ions, and inside the lithium ions there are there are many electrons available. So when you are charging the battery, then in that case the electrons start to move, then in that case battery will start to charge. Okay, so battery charging means your movement of electrons are working properly. Okay, so mobile phone battery have maximum 7000 mAh capacity. So in our modern battery, the maximum capacity of the battery is 7000 mAh. Okay guys, so let's discuss types of battery. So there are basically two types of battery. The first one is the flex battery. So now you can see here it have this kind of the flex connector. Okay, so using this connector you can use this battery, but this kind of battery basically comes in iPhone, and in our modern Samsung phone also there are this kind of battery which can be detached. Okay, so it will comes with the attached battery inside the device. Okay, and the another type of battery is connector battery, which can be unattached. Okay, so basically there will be the so now you can see this is the photo of the connector battery. So it have this kind of phone and ports, and you can detach this kind of battery from your mobile phone. Okay, so guys, we will discuss about the parts and function of battery. So now you can see here basically there will be three types of the parts. The first one is the BSI. BSI means battery system identification, and the second one is the BTEMP. It means battery temperature management, and the third one is the BIS. It means battery indicator system. So BSI is basically used for battery level indication, and the BTEMP used to check the temperature of battery, and it is basically the three types of parts available inside the battery. Okay, so battery health. So let's discuss about the battery health. So battery health will not be good after using few times. Okay, so we have to replace battery in our mobile phone after losing the health of battery. Okay, so battery health basically will be good up to 1 year after purchasing. Okay, so the battery's volt should be 3.7 to 4.4 healthy battery, otherwise the health of the battery is not good. You should remember, if your battery is below the 3.7, then in that case you should remember that your battery health is not good in that case. Okay, so you can check that one using the multimeter. If you don't know how to use the multimeter, I already uploaded a video inside my YouTube channel. You can check my previous video. Okay, so basically the battery will work properly up to 1 year if you are using the original battery. Otherwise, if you are using the duplicate battery, then in that case the battery will not work properly after 3 to 4 months. Okay, so that's why always I will recommend you to use the genuine type of battery. So um, after your battery stop to work, what to do? It means, what should we do for old battery? Okay, so after replacing new battery, we shouldn't throw those battery because it contains lots of lithium ions, and maybe the battery can be blasted because of chemical reaction. So always throw battery in safe place. Okay, so it contains the lithium ions, so maybe the chemical reaction can be happen. So that's why always uh, throw this kind of battery in safe place. Okay guys, and don't give those old batteries to kids. They can eat and maybe it will be very harmful for their health, so be careful for those things. So from our next chapter, we'll start to recognize few small components. Okay guys, so today we'll discuss about the old battery. Okay, and we discuss about the types of battery, we discuss about the function of the battery and why we should use the battery. We discuss all the things about the mobile phone battery. So from our next chapter, we will start to recognize the small components which will be available inside our the PCB board of smartphone. Okay guys, that's it. Hoping that you get few ideas about the mobile phone battery, and if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video on that topic also. And if you have still any kind of confusion or queries about this video, you can ask me in comment section without any hesitation, and share this video to among the people. And if you don't know how to check the battery using the multimeter, you can check my previous video. I have already uploaded that video in my YouTube channel. Maybe that video will help you to check your mobile phone battery health. Okay guys, so hoping that you get few ideas. And if you want to know more about mobile repair training, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press in the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon only, you will get all the updates about my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so from tomorrow I'm going to upload all the small components related videos, and after watching that video, you will understand what is small component and what is the importance of small components like resistor, transistor. Okay, and different kind of things I'm going to mention in my future video. And if you want to know all the things about the PCB board and all the things about the resistor, transistor and bandpass filter and the IC, different kinds of things will be covered in my future video. Okay guys, so hoping that you will give me some suggestion also for my further videos, and it will give me some motivation also to make me more videos. And I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.